Hi, welcome to the workshop. This time we're in Matabuena, which is about an hour's drive north of Madrid in central Spain. It's a beautiful rural area with little villages like this dotted through the landscape. The scene got better and better as the sun got lower in the sky later in the day. And just look at the movement of the wind through the trees and the grass. It's just beautiful. And to start with, painting on the spot, I was just trying to capture the scene. But then I redid it back in the studio and was trying to express more the color. But then I became more interested in the movement. I wanted to explore how I might use my brush strokes to talk about the movement of the wind through the scene. Here are some other artists who have thought about just that same thing. Notice how all of these paintings use brushwork to create this beautiful sense of fluid movement through the painting. And at the same time, that same brushwork helps to lead your eye through the painting. I just love this one. This brushwork has really given this scene this beautiful vibrancy and sense of life. So let's see what we can do in exploring the same idea. Let me take you through every step of the process and find out how to use bold impressionistic brushwork combined with shimmering broken color to produce movement in your paintings. In this project we only use 2 brushes and 6 colors. Nice and simple. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.